Good day, all. I'm Dr. T. Arunmori, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for the presentation on Issue Manager from the subject Merchant Banking and Financial Services. It is based on the curriculum of all universities in this subject. Now we move on to learn about who is an issue manager. Issue managers are required to be registered with SEBI to carry on their issue management activities since setting up of SEBI. So, issue manager is a he takes a very pivotal role in the issue management. SEBI has formulated rules and regulations for merchant bankers which bring out the requirements for registration of issue managers apart from prescribing the conduct rules for them. Next, in terms of these regulations, issue managers are required to mainly comply with the following requirements of registration. It should be a body corporate, not being a non-banking financial company as per SBI, RBI. He should have necessary infrastructure like adequate office space, equipments, and manpower to effectively discharge his activities. Next, he should have minimum 2 persons who have the experience to conduct the business of merchant banking. Next, he should fulfill capital adequacy requirements. That is, he should have a minimum net worth of rupees 5 crores. He should have a professional qualification from an institute recognized by government in law, finance, or business management. Under SEBI guidelines, a public rights issue cannot be floated without the association of a merchant banker. Then, a merchant banker, like a pilot of an aircraft, are the repositories of special skills required to execute the management of issues. Like how a flight cannot fly with the pilot, in the same way, without merchant banker, public issue management cannot be done. Thus, issue manager is an indispensable pilot. Here is a financial architect. As one of the words used is, I have given you the words to use it as the same because his word like financial architect, he is the one who designs how the public issue management should reach. As one of the important areas of issue management relates to capital structuring, capital gearing, and financial planning for the company. While performing these activities, merchant bankers acts as a financial architects. He is an investor as well as an underwriter. Already I have explained to you who is an underwriter, one who sells the unsold shares of the company. Since merchant bankers also underwrite and invest in the issues lead managed by them. Companies consider the issue managers as their co-traveler, as merchant bankers also sometimes act as a market makers in the issues managed by them. Then they invest, continue to hold and offer, buy and sell quotes for the scripts of the company after listing. Thus, as market makers, their association is not merely restricted to management of issue, but continues like co-traveler with the company. Next, under SEBI guidelines, every merchant banker, while managing a capital issue, is expected to perform due diligence under Annexure 2 and furnish a due diligence certificate to SEBI in a prescribed format. Association of Merchant Bankers of India has prescribed a detailed due diligence guide to its members to facilitate their performance of due diligence. Next, while managing issues, they are required to interact and file offer documents with SEBI. They are also required to file a number of reports related to issues being managed by them with SEBI. In a nutshell, merchant banker necessarily revolves around SEBI while managing an issue and thus can be called as a satellite of SEBI. So I conclude like saying that the issue managers are the satellite of a SEBI. Hope you understood the concept of an issue manager. Thank you. I would meet in the same concept with the next video. Thank you, students.